Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. So in this video, I'm going to tell you 4 best digital marketing ideas and strategies to grow your business in 2020. All right, my name is Andy. I'm in internet marketing since the last 2 years. And on my YouTube channel, I share some tips and tricks related to internet marketing. And if you want to keep learning about affiliate marketing, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, number one, get a responsive website. Your business might be copying perfectly fine without a website, but if copying is all you want for your business, then it's fine. So if you're looking for growth, however, you need to have a website. There's no better way to put it, especially in digital age we are in right now. Because without a website, your business is virtually invisible to those trying to find your product or services online. Number two, start blogging. You need to start blogging. This is my advice. Blogging has been around for some times now. Almost every internet-based business manages a blog of some type. Back in 1999, a list was compiled by the person named J.C. James Jarrett, where there were only 23 blogs in existence on the internet at that time. According to this infographic, as in 2013, the number of blogs in existence exceed 170 million. That very article also states that there are somewhere in the region of 170,000 new blogs added on the internet every day. Those are astonishing numbers, right? Can you imagine what it must be right now? So why should you even care about using blogging in your business when there are already so many around out there? And how can you use blogging to help your business grow anyway? Let's take a closer look. First, blogging can help you share timely and relevant information with your leads and customers. Think of it as a direct way to communicate with them. And the second, business who use blogs receive 67% more leads than business who don't market with blogs. Third, blogging can help improve search engine ranking, then driving more targeted buyer traffic to your business, website, product, and services. Fourth, blogging is a great way to add an all-important human element to your brand. It can help you build more connection, reinforce relationship, and help you earn the trust and loyalty of your customers. That's important if you want people to buy from you again and again. The fifth, blogging is cost-effective marketing strategy. Simple to set up, and every business should be using it. So those are the 5 things that the blogging will help to grow your business. Okay, now number 3, search engine optimization. Having a great looking website is all well and good. You can also have amazing content on your website, and you might also have a great product or offer the best service in your industry. But if no one can find it, then it's all waste of time. So here is one website marketing strategy: search engine optimization, or in short, SEO. Search engine traffic is free, and on top of that, it can last for a very long time, if you keep your content fresh and relevant. So number 4 is list building and email marketing. Here, another thing that I find quite interesting. Throughout 2019, I discovered that many of the business did not have email lists for their business. That's crazy, because an email list is one of the most valuable and responsive assets that you can have in your business. I don't want to sound like a broken record and tell you, hey man, you've got to build an email list, over and over again, so that you know this already if you haven't already started. By building your email list, building your own network of loyal friends, you will always own your list no matter what. Even if you can only get a few subscribers each day, it all goes towards building your email list. Okay friends, so in this video I have explained 4 best digital marketing ideas and strategies to grow your business in 2020. And if you want to build a successful affiliate marketing business in a professional way, you can find the link in the description below. If the information in this video is helpful, please like this video. And if you have any question, you can always comment also below. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And you can also watch my other video here. It will help you learning and growing your business more. Okay, have a lovely day, and I hope to see you in the next video.